Okay, so I just received this Ecoworthy 280 amp hour 12 volt lithium iron phosphate battery. So there are a few interesting features. Of course, you have Bluetooth, but then I found out on the menu that you might have Wi-Fi. So I don't know if that actually worked because you have to register an account, and I'm not so eager to do that. But anyway, it's supposed to have it, and then you can supposedly charge it down to like 20 degrees Fahrenheit. Usually with lithium iron phosphate, you cannot charge it below 32. So I don't know if it actually works that way. I hope it does. So that's a very interesting feature. Another thing that this battery has is the anti-swelling fixture, basically a frame that compresses the battery so it won't expand when it's charging. Supposedly that will add 30% life to the battery. So that feature, that frame, is generally not found in most batteries. They're just taped together. So this supposedly has an actual metal frame that compresses the battery. That's an interesting feature. And it says it's lightweight. It is kind of small and chubby, but 62 pounds, I don't think it's lightweight. It's probably gonna break my back. And then, what else is there? Wow, it's cheap. I got it for $337. Wow. And then actually, it uses the same BMS as my other battery in my garage. So yeah, I can just use one software to monitor two batteries, and that's a good thing. So this Ecoworthy probably uses a JBD BMS because when I open up the software to my battery that is in the garage, it picked up this Ecoworthy battery. The Ecoworthy has a separate app, which is shown here. So yeah, that is interesting. Yeah, so sounds like a good deal to me. Hope yours will work the same way. Thanks for watching.